You're probably already familiar with this trinket, YouTube's Creator Award for when you hit 1 million subscribers. It is prestigious, it is heavy, and it's also big. But all of that is about to change. A rumour began swirling around at the beginning of August 2024 that YouTube were about to shake things up and have this as their new creator reward, which would have been amazing because for me, hello, I can 3D print these things for slightly less than $225. But alas, this isn't the new award, although we'll come back to that a little bit later. But the rumour is true, YouTube are changing things. More creators than ever before are achieving impressive milestones on YouTube and seeing their passion pay off with Creator Awards. Starting in August 2024, we are introducing a new, lighter-sized award. Don't worry, the quality and design is staying the same, along with the prestige and recognition that you deserve. And we're already seeing posts on social media from creators who have received these newly sized awards and comparing them to the original sizes. Essentially, the new Gold Play Award will be a similar size to the original Silver Play Award. And the new Silver Play Award will be a similar size to this Play Award that I just 3D printed. yeah. Weird flex, I know. What you're basically looking at here is a 30% smaller gold and silver creator award while still maintaining the same design and materials. And this obviously begs the question, why? Why are creators getting a smaller award for the same achievement? The blame, if you can call it that, from the creator community is being placed squarely on these. Essentially, YouTube introduced an entirely new video platform when they launched Shorts, and creators can grow audiences very quickly through it. So as the support page says, more creators than ever are hitting milestones that were, at this point, designed a decade ago, when these were the awards you could get for 100,000 and 1 million subscribers. I suppose it should be prudent to remember that these things do cost money, and creators, when they hit the milestones, get them for free, along with free delivery. So I would guess this operation costs YouTube somewhere in the region of 6 to 7 figures annually. So with more milestones comes more reward and more cost. Basically, these things are suffering the same fate as our candy bars. Shrinkflation. What the hell is this? This is one of those moments where it's hard to get angry at YouTube, but at the same time you're thinking, oh, why did you do that? YouTube have created this amazing platform and they recognize creators' achievements when they don't have to. But now, noticeably, they recognize it in a smaller way. And had I been given play buttons of this size, this set design would be nowhere near as impressive. Yeah, it probably is actually. So what could YouTube have done to make this update less disappointing? Well, I can think of two options. First of all, they could have kept the size of these play buttons the same, but introduced a new play button for Shorts creators. I guess the idea being that if you gain more than half of your subscribers from Shorts, you would get this award. And this concept from Etsy is pretty cool. Or how about this? Totally new creator awards designed by creators. It's an open competition. We as the creator community decide which one is best and YouTube puts that design into production. That, I think, would satisfy most people. As for these things for additional $225, well, this might be one of the new additional awards creators can purchase. While creators do get one creator award for free, often they'll need a couple of them to share amongst the team. These do cost money, along with other items such as this gold letter that can be purchased. These YouTube icons simply look like another item that's been added to the catalogue. So the design of the YouTube Creator Award is staying the same, it's just getting smaller. And if it keeps going at the same rate, then I have an exclusive look at the 2034 prototype.